Alright, so today's going to be a quick one. I've got a jar here about 8 pounds, 8 ounces of small copper bearing motors. So I'm going to show you how to take apart the 5 or so basic types. They're very easy, doesn't take very much time, and you can get some more scrap out of it. So these are the 5 basic types. You've got these round, I believe they're called inducers. These, which are found in those little black boxes on circuit boards. The ones that look like this, that, and these, which are basically just wrapped around a ferrous post. And all you're going to need: screwdriver, wire cutters, pliers. So for these, all you have to do is crack open that top part. This piece will come out. There's just going to be a little piece of iron in the middle. You just want to snap that off and push it through. Stick it over the screwdriver, and you just pull the wire off. It's that simple. So with these, you just want to stick them in a pair of pliers and squeeze them until they crack. These pieces are iron, and they should come apart fairly easy. And there you go. With these, you're going to want to remove these plastic caps. Some of them don't have them, but some that do. Just want to take those off real quick. Alright. And then grab a hold of one of those with a pair of pliers and pull. And that's it. Comes right off. Both sides. And this little post in there, that's ferrous as well. These, which are found in the those little black boxes and circuit boards, are easy to take apart. You just remove that steel part, and with a pair of wire cutters, you take off that white plastic end. You just want to nip it right around it. Make it come off evenly. Right. And then just pull, and it comes right off. And finally, these, you just want to take off any tape that might be on there. Again, there's a little ferrous thing around it. You just want to crunch it and crack it off. Just like that. Push it through. Alright, so let's wrap this up. I started off with 8 pounds, 8 ounces of small copper bearing motors from circuit boards and stuff like that. And to figure out if it's worth scrapping, I've separated everything, taken all the copper off. So I've got this tissue box, which is just all filled with iron scraps. Let's weigh it. Alright, so this is 3 pounds, 12 ounces. And then that is all the copper from the 8 pounds, 8 ounces. So let's see what we have here. So 3 pounds 15, so almost 4 pounds. So if you do the math, 8 pounds 8 ounces, so say 8.5 times 24 cents a pound, I would have gotten $2.04, versus now I'm going to get about $11 plus the iron. So yeah, it took some time, but if you got the free time to do it, go ahead and do it. Well, I didn't count the iron, which would probably be another 30 cents for that. So that's it. So is it worth taking apart all those little motors? If you have the time, absolutely. Thanks for watching.